lettuce. My lettuces desperately need weeding and thinning, and I really want to grow out this romaine into full heads, but while I'm thinning it, we are going to have salad for lunch. So, oh yeah, and then some of them didn't really come up because the ducks got in here and had eaten them, so I'm just transplanting a few into the holes, some of the bigger ones.
It's been quite a few hours since I filmed that last shot, and I've gotten some progress done on this bed here. We have rocks in the garden, so I decided why not use them. So I've lined this whole bed with rocks. I'm spreading this manure on it. And then down here, I'll show you my favorite part is this is something I've wanted to do. We have these power pole stabilizing cables coming down. And I made this little half circle garden that bed just runs down into. And I was thinking we might put herbs in there. Brianna's thinking of putting flowers in there, which that sounds nice.
At least the baby's having a fun time in the manure pile.
Baby's having a great time, and he has a wonderful little babysitter here. Miss Joy, let me see your mouth. Show me your teeth. What have you been eating?
Grass.
You've been eating ryegrass. Does it taste good?
Yeah.
Who likes ryegrass?
Me.
Do you eat ryegrass?
No, I don't like it.
You don't like it? It's pretty tasty, isn't it? I used to eat it when I was a kid. Don't mess up the wall. Ria's working on weeding.
Weeding, that's all I've done today.
Weeding. Weeding garlic here.
Yeah.
The garlic looks pretty good.
Does it? This is just kind of like my experimental bed, because around here you're supposed to plant it in the fall, but I planted this last spring. Come this fall, this whole bed will be garlic though.
Worms in a bucket. You know what that means, right? That means let's go fishing. Why not? Hey kids! And we're here. The river. You can fish in just a second.
I'm fishing.
Got any bites yet? You sure?
I don't think we're gonna catch him. Bye.
Okay, I'll carry you.
He did. Oh, I'm not sorry. On that rock. Look. Almost caught one.
You almost caught one of those.
It's mine. Let's look one to sleep. I think I caught fish.
You think you caught a fish?
Let's pull it out.
Fine, pull it out.
Oh, you want to reel in your fish? Oh. If you get in, it'll scare any fish away.
Oh yeah. Can I get in that whale island? What? I'm gonna climb around that one. Look at it. Watch what happens if I throw on this wheel.
Thanks for joining us, folks. This has been a great little escape from the homestead. We caught a ton of fish out here today of all sizes. Unfortunately, we were so excited we forgot to film them. Maybe next time. It's been another great day on the homestead. And sometimes it's good just to get away, right? Even if it's just for an evening. Y'all have a great night. We'll see you in a video really soon. Goodbye.